Hey y'all, what's happening? It's Chris and this is Pop Squared. Today we're unboxing the new TheraFace Pro by Therabody. Let's check it out. The TheraFace Pro is one of Therabody's newest products, which aims to package their signature percussive therapy into a smaller package that is safely designed to use on your face. The TheraFace Pro is packaged in a slipcase. Inside is a simple cardboard box with an introduction to Therabody. Beneath that are two boxes and a carrying case that includes the TheraFace Pro. Inside the first box, we have some conductive gel, which is recommended to get the best experience with your TheraFace Pro. A small USB-C charging cable, and two accessories, a small display stand, and a cleansing ring with a protective cover. Inside the second small box, we have a set of instructions. Moving over to the carrying case, we have the microcurrent ring, and you can see this connects magnetically. And two additional percussive attachments, a micropoint, ideal for larger areas, and a cone attachment, which works great for specific targeted areas. Finally, we have the TheraFace Pro itself. It comes pre-installed with the LED attachment, which offers individual blue, red, or red plus infrared light settings. And finally, a percussive flat attachment. And that's the new TheraFace Pro from Therabody. Stay tuned for a more in-depth review, which we'll post in a few weeks. That's all for today. Thanks for checking out this video. Thank you again for watching, and mahalo for your support. Until next time, aloha friends!